What's up, everybody? Going to get the car detailed today. It's a little dirty, I know. Got all this trash on my floors. Don't talk about me. Well, I gotta pick some of this stuff up first. But yeah, I gotta get the car dropped off today at a place on Veterans. Don't ask me how this got dirty, because I don't know. Yeah. Let me give y'all a cold start. I got a lizard just coming along for the drive. You making sure my brake tag good.
Tells you everything.
Truck is finally detailed and cleaned. It's been a couple days though, that's why it's a little crummy up, you know, footprints. But as you can see, it's not the same way as it was with all the crap in it. They actually did all right, I guess. They really did a good job up here. This is leaking, so that's an issue, which is coming from here. I just found that out today. But yeah, like little stuff, but it's actually pretty clean. And did an amazing job on the cup holders. That's not supposed to be over here. I don't know why he put that on this side instead of the other side, but that's my floor mats that I purchased from Amazon. I'll make a video about that coming soon. These are my seat cover pillows that, you know, they're in my other car right now, so I'm gonna put them on one day. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I was gonna make a whole video on putting these seat covers in, but during the process I changed my mind. I really don't like these seat covers from Amazon. I don't know if it's because the seats are SUV seats or whatever, but they don't fit right. Like, they give the illusion that they look good, but I really don't like them. Like, The floor mats. I love the floor mats. These are custom. I got my name on there and everything, and my YouTube. But I don't like the way this looks. This looks ridiculous. I'm gonna leave them on there just for a while. I'm gonna get some new ones because I hate this. It doesn't go into the seats very well. It's not the kind of look I like. From afar, it looked great, you know. If I close the doors and block it off, it just gives the illusion that they look good. But I don't like this look at all. I don't like this. But I got them off of Amazon. They cost like $200, and that's why I'm mad about it. But I can't bring them back because it's been over 2 years. I just never got around to putting them in. And they're a little dirty, but that's because of me. They've been sitting in a box. I put them on one time and then took them right off. But yeah, they've been sitting in the box for a while. These pillows are a little dirty. I like the pillows. The pillows are cool. It's just I don't like this cheaply made, doesn't fit around anything look. But like I said, the floor mats, I love them. These were also $200 to get them custom. But I say just do your research on whatever you're trying to get for your car. You just have to get some more. But I like the way it looks from afar, you know. Let me show you through the window. I don't know if you can really see it because the sun is not out like it was earlier. But yeah, it's my thought on these Amazon seat covers. I'm gonna leave them on there for a little while. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about them. I don't particularly care for them. I love my floor mats though. Gotta let you know that. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching the video. One more time, just show y'all what they look like.